Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Now you go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, and Oklahoma City is mighty pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, King, Modesto, San Bernardino. I don't want you get hip to this timely tip when you make that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, and Oklahoma City is mighty pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, King, Modesto, San Bernardino. I don't want you get hip to this timely tip when you make that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Oh, get your kicks on Route 66.